So type 3, last type of unit 4. In this one, same like Cauchy's Euler equation how we have done, same thing, just we need to remember 2 points in this one. Whenever you find equation x with 2, that time we'll consider this as e power z. After applying log on both sides, log of 1 plus 2x equals to log e power z means z log e, that is z. After that, 1 plus 2x square into this is d square equals to x multiple is 2, 2 is having square, so 2 square we have to take, then theta into theta minus 1, same like Cauchy's Euler. Then 1 plus 2x into d equals to x multiple, whatever multiple is there, that multiple into theta. Same thing, theta is d by dz only. After this is 1 plus d square, y is common in all. So what we will get here, 2 square theta into theta minus 1 minus 6 into 2 into theta plus 16. All terms have y in common. 8 into this value is e power z. Square means 2z. Now simplifying, same thing, type 1 question of unit 3. 4 theta square minus 4 theta minus 12 theta plus 16 into y equals to 8 into e power 2z. Then this will be 4 theta square minus 16 theta plus 16 into y equals to 8 into e power 2z. Now this question is in the form first type of unit 3. F of theta. This is operator form now. 4 theta square minus 16 theta plus 16. Auxiliary equation will be f of m equal to 0. This theta becomes m now. 4 is common. 2 square, 2 2s are 4. So m minus 2 whole square. So 2 times m minus 2. So this will be m equals to 2 and 2. So yc equals to c1 plus c2, will not take x because the question change in terms of z, e power z into e power mx. Now recall the value of z, which is log 1 plus 2x into e power z whole square. E power z whole square is 1 plus 2x whole square. This is yc. Once we got the value of yc, we need yp now. To get the value of yp, yp equals to 8 into e power 2z divided by this value, 4 theta square minus 16 theta plus 16. So 4 is common and cancelled. 2 into 1 by theta square minus 4 theta plus 4 e power 2z. If I'll substitute 2, we'll get 0. To avoid that, we can write factors of this one. Theta minus 2 whole square e power 2z. Once we have 1 by b minus a whole power r into e power ax. This is, if r is there, x power r by r factorial. Because the question is in terms of z, we can write this one as 2 into z power r by r factorial into e power 2z. Now z value is changed. These two cancelled. Z is how much? Z equals to log of 1 plus 2x. Into e power z whole square. E power z is 1 plus 2x. This is whole square. This is yp. Once we got yp value, solution will be y is equals to yc plus yp. Second one, if you'll see, you'll get correct idea regarding this. Previously we used to take x is equals to in Cauchy's Euler. In this one we have to take this one, 3x plus 2 equal to, after applying log, this is z. Then 3x plus 2 whole square into d square equals to, x multiple is 3, so 3 square, then theta into theta minus 1. Then 3x plus 2 into d will be, x multiple is 3 into theta, where theta is equals to d by dz. Now this equation will be 3 square theta into theta minus 1, multiply and write for theta into theta minus 1, plus 3 into theta. 3 into this value is 3 theta minus 36. 3x square. X is how much? Can we factorize that one? Three ones are 3, 3x. So we will not get factors also. So what we'll do is, we'll substitute x from this one. X equals to e power z minus 2 divided by 3. Three into e power z minus 2 divided by 3 whole square plus 4 into x value e power z minus 2 divided by 3 plus 1. Now this is our first type, almost 9 theta square minus 9 theta plus 9 theta minus 36 into y equals to 3 into a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by 3 square is 9 plus 4 into e power z minus 8 by 3 plus 1 by 1. So this is 9 theta square minus 36 into y equals to, LCM is 9, 3 e power 2z plus 12 minus 12 e power z plus LCM, 3 3s are 9, so 3 4 times 12, 3 8 times 24, then 9 1 time, 1 9 times, so 9 1 times 9. Now what we will get here? 9 theta square minus 36 into y equals to 3 e power 2z, 12 plus 9, 21 minus 24 minus 3 divided by 9. So 9 theta square minus 36 into y equals to 3 common and cancelled, e power 2z minus 1 by 3. This is our question now. What we will do for this? Then we will take operator form, consider operator form, then f of theta or f of d we used to take. What we will get here? Auxiliary equation after this, f of m equal to 0. So 9m square minus 36 equals to 0. 9m square equals to 36. 9 4s are 36. So this is m plus 2 into m minus 2 equal to 0. M equals to 2 or minus 2. Then yc equals to c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x. X is z here. c1 e power 2x 2z plus c2 e power minus 2z. After this, z value will replace. What is z here? Log of, e power z is how much? 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 whole square plus c2 into 3x plus 2 whole power minus 2. Now yp equal to this value, e power 2z minus 1 divided by 3 into 9 theta square minus 36. So we can write 1 by 3, 9 common, 27 theta square minus 4 e power 2z. If I'll substitute 2, we'll get 0 here. So to avoid that, we'll expand this one, theta plus 2 into theta minus 2 into e power 2z. Now whatever value for which we are not getting 0, we'll substitute that value here. 1 by 2 plus 2 is 4 into 1 by theta minus 2 power 1 into e power 2z. So this will be 1 by 27 into 4, 108 into x power 1, x is z here, z power 1 by 1 factorial e power 2z as it is. Now z we have to remove. 1 by 108 into z value. What is z value? Log of 3x plus 2 into e power z. E power z is 3x plus 2. This is whole square. Okay, this is yp. Therefore y is equals to yc plus yp. So this will be 1 plus x square d square. Y I am taking common. 1 plus x into d by dx is d. Y I am taking common. This is 1. So for all the 3y outside, 4 cos of log of 1 plus x. After this, we know that 1 plus x square d square equals to x coefficient is 1. So 1 square theta into theta minus 1. Then 1 plus x into d is equals to 1 into theta. Then we have theta d by dz. We have to consider x also. 1 plus x is equals to e power z implies log 1 plus x is equals to z. Now same thing what we have done in Euler's, we have to substitute this theta into theta minus 1 plus theta plus 1. 4 into cos log 1 plus x is how much? Z. This is theta square minus theta plus theta plus 1 into y. 4 into cos z. So theta square plus 1 into y equals to 4 cos z. This is type 2 of unit 3. F of theta. Theta square plus 1 auxiliary equation will be f of m equal to 0. So this will be m square plus 1 equals to 0. M square equals to minus 1. M is equals to plus or minus root minus 1. M is equal to plus or minus 1 and I. So 0 plus 1 I. So yc equals to e power 0x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. X is z. E power 0z is 1. c1 cos z value log of 1 plus x plus c2 sine z value. Replacing z value from this one gives you yc. Once we got yc, I'll write these values here. Yp we have to find. Yp equals to this value 1 by theta square plus 1 into 4 cos z. Now 1z. Suppose cos ax is there, d square equals to minus a square. So cos 1z is there, theta square equals to minus 1 square. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So not possible. So for outside, 1 by theta square plus 1 square cos 1z. One formula is there. 1 by d square plus a square cos ax is equal to x by 2a cos sin ax. This formula. If you are getting 0, you have to substitute this formula. So 1 by this theta square is d square, this is a square, so x by 2a sin ax, 2 to the 4, 2 into z sin z. Now the value of z, log 1 plus x, 2 log 1 plus x into sin z is log 1 plus x. So this is yp. So y is equals to yc plus yp is our answer. Now 2x plus 3 equals to e power z. This implies log 2x plus 3 equals to z. One more thing we need to find. Right side we have x, so we have to x defined from this value. So we have 2x plus 3 equals to e power z, 2x equals to e power z minus 3, x equals to e power z minus 3 by 2. Apart from this, 2x plus 3 whole square, this is d square, y is common anyhow, this equals to 2 power 2 theta into theta minus 1. Then 2x plus 3 into d square, x coefficient is 2, so 2 into theta, where theta is d by dz. Now this value becomes what? 2 square, 4 into theta minus 1 minus 2 into this value is 2 into theta. See, already 2 is there. This you have to write. This value represent 2 theta. So 2 theta minus 12. Y is common in all. This is equal to 6x. But we have to find x from this value. What is that? E power z minus 3 divided by 2. So 2 3 times. Now 4 theta square minus 4 theta minus 4 theta minus 12 into y, 3 into e power z minus 9. So 4 theta square minus 8 theta minus 12 into y equals to 3 e power z minus 9. Now f of theta, 4 theta square minus 8 theta minus 12 auxiliary equation is f of m equals to 0. This implies 4m square minus 8m minus 12 equal to 0, 4 common. Now factorize it, or minus b plus or minus. 3m minus 1m plus 1m minus 3 equal to 0. This will be m into m minus 3, 1 into m minus 3. So two values of m we got, m is equals to minus 1, m is equals to 3. So yc equals to c1 into e power minus 1 z plus c2 into e power 3z. Now e power z value is how much? 2x plus 3. c1 2x plus 3 power minus 1. c2 2x plus 3 power 3. This is yc. To get yp, yp equals to this value 3 into e power z minus 9 divided by this 4 theta square minus 8 theta minus 12. So this will be 3 into e power 1z divided by 4 theta square minus 4 theta minus 8 theta minus 12. 9 into nothing is there means 0z divided by 4 theta square minus 8 theta minus 12. If I will substitute 1 here, 4 minus 8 minus 12, how much will you get? Minus 20 plus 4 minus 16 minus 9 e power 0. 0 if you will substitute, minus 12. So what you will get here? Minus 3 e power z. E power z is 2x plus 3 divided by 16 plus 9 by 12. This is our yp. So the solution will be y is equals to yc plus yp. Yc value, this one, c into 2x plus 3 inverse c2 into 2x plus 3 power 3 minus 3 e power z by 16. E power z is 2x plus 3 by 16 plus 9 by 12. So this is our solution set.